Overseas, on his first full day in office, U.S. President Joe Biden unveiled sweeping measures to battle the pandemic that has killed 405,000 Americans. Biden's chief medical advisor, Anthony Fauci, praised the willingness of his new boss to let the science speak. James Aitken has details.
As he took his first actions to step up the federal response to the pandemic, Joe Biden said help is on the way. He called his executive orders to establish a COVID-19 testing board to ramp up testing, set new protocols, and address supply shortfalls, a wartime undertaking.
We're in a national emergency, and it's time we treat it like one.
The previous Trump administration often downplayed the severity of the country's worst public health crisis in a century. Much of the planning was left to individual states, resulting in a patchwork of policies across the country. Meanwhile, Dr. Anthony Fauci is back. Fauci, who served under Trump, has been promoted to Biden's chief medical advisor. He says he's happy to be working for a science-friendly administration that has embraced his recommendations to battle COVID-19.
The idea that you can get up here and talk about what you know, what the evidence, what the science is, and know that's it. Let the science speak. It is somewhat of a liberating feeling.
As vaccine makers work around the clock to produce millions more doses each day, the push to inoculate Americans is hitting a roadblock. Demand is exceeding supply.
This is a desperate situation. At the pace at which we are receiving vaccine, it would take us well into 2022 to achieve herd immunity in New York City. That's unacceptable.
The demand is there. We have the staff. We have the sites. We just need the vaccine.
15 of New York's vaccination hubs are not open because the city simply doesn't have enough doses. James Aitken, TVB News.